The final area of the Excel interface is the status bar. The status bar is customizable, so if you don't see all the things I'm showing you, you may need to change what is displayed. You can do this by right-clicking the status bar and selecting the additional items you want to see. When you're done, click outside the shortcut menu to close it. The first thing in the status bar is the mode. Most of the time, the mode will display Ready. The other modes are Edit, Enter, and Point. We won't be talking about modes in this course, but they're a good thing to check out and be aware of. Next to the mode, you may see Numlock, Caps Lock, and Scroll Lock. These indicate if the Numlock, Caps Lock, or Scroll Lock keys are enabled. If any of these keys are not enabled, you will not see the indicator for that key. Right now, my Numlock key is on. If I turn it off, the indicator disappears. When I turn it back on, the indicator shows up again. If you have some cells in your worksheet selected and those cells contain numbers, you'll see calculation results on the status bar. If I type a few numbers in the worksheet and select the cells, you'll see the sum of the numbers and some other calculation results like average and count. Near the right corner of the status bar, there are 3 preview options to change how you see the worksheet. The options are Normal, Page Layout, and Page Break Preview. Next to the preview options, we have some zoom options. You can use the plus and minus icons to increase or decrease the zoom, or you can use the slider to accomplish the same thing. So that's it. You now have an idea of how to get around the Excel interface.